Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore crypto in Cash App by linking your identity step by step clearly. To restore your cryptocurrency in Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email or phone number. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Scroll down to find the crypto section and select it. If your crypto is not visible, look for an option that says Restore Wallet or similar. Tap on this option to begin the restoration process. Next, you will be prompted to link your identity for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary identification details. You may need to upload a government-issued ID or complete a facial recognition scan. Once you have submitted your identity verification, wait for the confirmation notification. This process may take a few. After your identity is verified, return to the crypto section. Your cryptocurrency balance should now reflect accurately. If you still encounter issues, consider contacting Cash App support for further assistance. Make sure to keep your app updated for smooth functionality. Follow these steps to ensure a successful restoration of your crypto in Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.